Okay, first YouTube how-to video. Don't do one. So I'm making a composting toilet storage facility for my composting toilet. I've used one of these big barrels, made a hole in the bottom. Welcome to my shed, by the way. I've done a few things earlier before I thought I'd have a go at doing this. Anyway, I've got a bit of blue pipe. Got some stuff, put it on the end with some things, cable ties. Basically, I'm going to stick that in the hole. That's going to filter out the shitsy stuff, and then there's going to be a tap on the end of here, which is going to be sticking out the side. And that will then, well, yeah, if it fills it with water, I can then drain it out. So that's the plan. And this is for my cabin, which you'll see in due course. Yeah. So, find a hole. Always a fun game. And yeah, we'll stuff it in there. First though, bit of lubricant. Silicone. It's not really lubricant. Yes. There we go, the cheapest silicone you can buy. And there we go. That's just going to go straight in there like that. And that's it, really. Other than these few details. This is pretty standard actually. So this is the nice thing about this, is that I've got a silicone on there, I forgot to put that on there, that should have, but then how do I, I mean that's just, it's just not going to work, is it? I think best thing to do is cut those fucking zip ties off and put them on in situ. Now of course I'm getting silicone everywhere, which is just wonderful. Bottom back. Now I can stuff it back in the hole. Lovely. Thank God. Cable ties. Shall we go and get some cable ties? Yes, let's. Got them. I don't know what was in here before, but it smells a bit kind of fruity. No. Don't know. Probably shouldn't be in there. Bleach. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, quite strong. Fuck it. I put the fucking cable ties on again. Too soon. Now then. I want some more silicone, do you know? I just feel like I need some more of this. I blame Peter for this, to be honest. Alright. It's in. Oh, take that off. I'm going in there, don't I? Right. Back in. Damn it. It's a horrible thing to be in. Whew. Cable ties now. There you go. Excellent. I mean, it's a bit of a two-man job, to be fair. Because I'd like that squashed. I don't know what I can do. So I don't know about you, but I mean, I look for these fucking how-to things on the internet and no one really, they show you the before and after. Some guy in jeans and perfect hair. So I thought I'd do it the real way, really. Instead of watching those wankers. Anyway, I'm sure they're lovely people. Anyway, it's not my place to say otherwise, is it? Go back in. So there we go, that's as tight as I can make it. I think that'll do it. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. And then basically just a tap on the bottom there. And a bit of, sorry for camera, a tap. It's going on the bottom of there. Need some of that white tape, WPC, who knows. Where do I keep that even? Maybe. Ah, you beauty. I've got some of this stuff instead. It's like toothpaste instead of the white tape. Just squirt that on. That's if it's not cured. Yeah, there we go. There is some. So that's probably way too much. Yeah, I'm sure someone will say something about that. Only that. Turn it off. Trick is not to ruin the thread. It's bound to finish in completely the wrong kind of trajectory. Yeah, there we go, lovely. Totally finished in the wrong place. Nice, bit more silicone on me. So that's ideal, as far as I'm concerned.